Good morning, grade 8. We are doing set 2.2. From question first, we are doing second problem. Now this is the diagram which they have given, and they say line A is parallel to line B. This sign indicates parallel, and line L is transversal. You can see, and you have to find the value of x. Now what extra we have to do in this is take any angle M as I have shown you over here. Okay, I have taken this angle M. Now considering that line A is parallel to B and L is transversal, these two are parallel and this is transversal, I can write 4x plus M is equal to 180 degrees. What is the reason? Interior angle property. We have seen when lines are parallel, pair of interior angles are supplementary. That means their addition is 180. But what we can say next, this is number 1. Now second is what? Angle M is equal to angle 2x. You can see this too. What's the reason? They are vertically opposite angles. So reason is that vertically opposite angles are equal. Okay. Now see, from 1 and 2, what we can write? Instead of M, I can write 2x over here. So I have from 1 and 2, I get third equation that 4x plus 2x is equal to 180 degrees. So 4x plus 2x like terms, we get 6x is equal to 180 degrees. And therefore x will be equal to 180 upon 6, which is equal to 30 degrees. I hope it is clear to you, students. Okay, now let's go for question number 2. This is your second question. They have given line P and Q are parallel. So P is parallel to Q, and you can see there are two transversals. One is T and one is S. We have to find values of X and Y. X and Y we have to find out. I have taken two extra angles. You can see angle A and angle B. You have to mark it on the figure, without which it is not possible to find out the values. Now see, here I have written x plus a. These two together, they make 180 degree angle. Can you see this? This is 180. What's the reason? These two are angles in linear pair. And angles in linear pair always are supplementary. They make 180 degree angle. Sum of them is 180 degrees. Now consider line P parallel to line Q and only T is transversal. If you consider only this situation, then 40 is equal to angle A. Our A will be equal to 40. These two angles will be same. What's the reason? These two are corresponding angles. So whenever lines are parallel, corresponding angles are equal. So I have written here corresponding angle property. Now from 1 and 2, what you can write? For A, I can substitute 40 over here. For A, so what I will write? X plus 40 is equal to 180. This comes from 1 and 2. Okay, so what you have x? X is 180 minus 40, which is equal to 140 degrees. That is what we got value of x. Okay, now similarly come back to PQ as two parallel lines and they are cut by transversal S. You can pause the video and take down the steps, students. Now see what I am taking. Now I am considering P is parallel to Q and S is transversal. S is transversal. Okay, now this is the possibility. Now what is to be done? Just see, I am writing first step. B is equal to 70 degrees. What's the reason? B and this 70 degree angle. These two are vertically opposite angles. So we can write vertically opposite angles are equal. So that's the first step. So we got this 40 Okay, now second step. Angle Y plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. What's the reason? If these two are parallel lines and this is transversal, these two become interior angles and sum of interior angle is 180 when lines are parallel. So which property we have used? Interior angle property. Okay, now I am substituting for B 70 degrees. So third step I will get Y plus 70 is equal to 180. So what I will get Y? Y will be equal to 180 minus 70, which is equal to 110 degrees. That is your value of Y. So you got X and you also got Y. Okay, I think it is quite clear to you all students. I hope you have understood. Thank you.